The establishment of the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases. The Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases was established with the purpose of adjudicating cases submitted for the appellate review of a judgment rendered by the specialized courts. The adjudication of the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases is conducted by a quorum of judges with specific knowledge and expertise in each area, which will create uniformity and promote more expediency and efficiency of justice process. The specialized courts are empowered to adjudicate special and complex cases as follows. 1. Intellectual Property and International Trade Court. 2. Tax Court. 3. Labor Court. 4. Bankruptcy Court. 5. Juvenile and Family Court. Formerly, cases from Juvenile and Family Court were appealed to the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court respectively, and cases from other specialized courts were appealed directly to the Supreme Court. In 2015, the appeal and degar appeal system for ordinary civil cases was changed by law. Therefore, judgment rendered by the Court of Appeal is final, and civil cases are able to appeal to the Supreme Court only by permission of the Supreme Court. Consequently, the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases was inaugurated on October 1, 2016. The appeal and degar appeal system applied in all specialized courts shall therefore be changed. A judgment or an order rendered by the specialized courts is appealed to the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases. A judgment or an order of civil cases rendered by the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases is final and can be appealed to the Supreme Court only by permission of the Supreme Court, exclusively for cases relating to an important issue, such as a problem of public interest or public order. For criminal cases, the appeal and degar appeal system applied in all specialized courts still uses the same system as of ordinary criminal cases. The jurisdiction of the court. The Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases is divided into 5 divisions as follows. 1. Intellectual Property and International Trade Case Division is empowered to adjudicate civil and criminal cases relating to intellectual property, such as trademarks, copyrights, patents, trade secrets. Civil cases relating to international trade, such as international sale, exchange of goods, provision of international services, international carriage, arbitration of intellectual property, and international trade dispute resolution. 2. Tax Case Division is empowered to adjudicate cases in respect to appeals against any decision relating to any taxation law, cases in respect to claims by the state over tax and revenue debts, cases in respect to tax refunds, and rights or duties incurred under a commitment made for the purpose of tax collection. 3. Labor Case Division is empowered to adjudicate cases regarding a dispute over rights and duties under an employment agreement or, according to the law on labor protection, the law on labor relations, the law on the state enterprise labor relations, the law on employment protection and job seekers, the law on social security, and the law on labor's compensation. Cases arising from the ground of wrongful acts between the employers and the employees in connection with the performance of work under an employment agreement. Labor disputes, which the Minister of Labor requests the Labor Court to decide in accordance with the law on labor relations. 4. Bankruptcy Case Division is empowered to adjudicate bankruptcy cases, rehabilitation cases, including civil cases in connection with such cases, criminal cases with an offense prescribed in the law on bankruptcy. 5. Juvenile and Family Case Division is empowered to adjudicate criminal cases with an offense committed by a child or juvenile, family cases, well-being protection cases. Moreover, the President of the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases has authority to rule a case which has a dispute over the jurisdiction between specialized courts and other courts. The ruling of the President of the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases shall be final. The President and Vice Presidents of the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases and judges in such court shall be graciously appointed by His Majesty the King from judges under the law on judicial service who have the knowledge and expertise relating to specialized cases. The personnel of the Court of Appeal for Specialized Cases is determined to officiate with a resolution with expertise, fairness, modernity, and emphasis on economy and society.